Hi, my name is Susan Meaney. I have a little small card company down in the west of Ireland called Burn Flower Fairies. Hi. I'm being helped today. This is Chloe. It all began in 1995 in Sallynoggin Community College when I did an art course and not knowing where it might lead, but I knew I was interested in art. I really loved the freedom that they gave us. We explored, it was my first taste of design, photography, sculpture, but the interest was drawing, and I remember being left alone in a room for 2 weeks while I drew a rotting cabbage. The smell was horrendous, but the drawing turned out great, and from there I applied to a few colleges in Dublin on Jack's suggestion. I wasn't thinking of going to art college. I thought I'll do something else, this is just a year off, but actually I got in, and it made me think that maybe there was something in this, so I took a place in the DIT studying art and illustration, or design and illustration. That was a fantastic course for me, just because my focus was really just the technical aspect of drawing, and I learned a lot. So in 2000, I think it was, we graduated, and I started work in design companies, and that was my first experience of computers, which is unheard of now, but we didn't have computers in college really at all. So I worked for about 15 years as a graphic designer before we moved to the west of Ireland and ended up in the sticks, which is where I am now. I was looking for alternative forms of income, so I said I'll do 10 cards, try and get into a local shop, just see how it goes. I was still doing graphic design freelance, but it was harder for this part of the country. So the cards went well, did 10 more, that went well, 10 more, the cards became pictures, prints, boxes. The more money I made, the more I put back into the business, and I'm sort of exploring everything now: wrapping paper, fabrics, whatever can be, whatever's affordable, whatever comes to mind. I do trade shows every year, usually at Christmas time, and get a few new customers that way. And I'm doing a business course with the Galway Enterprise Centre at the moment, which is helping me expand, and the business side of things was always my weak point, so it's teaching me financial disciplines and things that I wouldn't have been so great at before. So the graphic design is dropping into the background, but it's very, very useful to have both. So to conclude, the Sallynoggin was a great starting point. It really gave me a taste for everything, and definitely did not think that I would end up with a career in illustration, but I'm very happy I have one.